Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to display custom Twitter feeds in your WordPress website. So search this plugin custom Twitter feeds and install and activate. Custom Twitter feeds allows you to display completely customizable Twitter tweets from any user timeline, Twitter hashtag or home timeline. So install and activate. This is a very famous and useful plugin to display Twitter feeds on your WordPress website. And guys, if you are facing any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video about how to use this custom Twitter feeds plugin in your WordPress website. So active and install and share your share your experience with this plugin. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel. And also guys, please check out my WordPress learning series and WordPress plugin series. There you will find a useful and important informative videos about WordPress. So check out them.